Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A tranquil, expansive infinity pool nestled amidst lush tropical greenery. Impressionistic, yet detailed. The pool is deep emerald green, reflecting the surrounding dense foliage. The pool deck is a light brown wooden plank material, smooth and sleek. Several plush, dark gray chaise lounges are arranged along the pool's edge. A traditional style gazebo with light gray umbrellas provides shade. Towering palm trees and various tropical plants create a canopy-like effect over the pool area. The background showcases a dense, vibrant green hillside forest with varying shades of emerald green and hints of deeper forest green, dappled with sunlight. A rooftop patio in a trendy city, evening light. A large hot tub, light gray and beige, sits in the center, with water bubbling and steaming. Modern gray wicker patio furniture, including a sectional sofa, is scattered around. The patio is paved with light gray stone tiles. The rooftop garden is full of plants, bushes, and small trees, in various greens and browns, illuminated by warm, ambient lighting. City skyline view in the background, with skyscrapers in varying heights and shades of warm, yellowish/beige colors. Impressionistic quality. Rich warm tones, with slightly cool accents. Slight haze/mist in the air. Focused lighting on the hot tub and surrounding plantings. A rooftop patio in a trendy city, evening light. A large hot tub, light gray and beige, sits in the center, with water bubbling and steaming. Modern gray wicker patio furniture, including a sectional sofa, is scattered around. The patio is paved with light gray stone tiles. The rooftop garden is full of plants, bushes, and small trees, in various greens and browns, illuminated by warm, ambient lighting. City skyline view in the background, with skyscrapers in varying heights and shades of warm, yellowish/beige colors. Impressionistic quality. Rich warm tones, with slightly cool accents. Slight haze/mist in the air. Focused lighting on the hot tub and surrounding plantings. Aerial view of a modern, tropical-style outdoor living space. Layered stone and wood decking create a series of seating areas, a sunken lawn, and raised garden beds. Beige and taupe outdoor sectional sofas are strategically placed throughout, with various potted plants and lush greenery filling the space, including palm trees, ferns, banana plants, and other tropical foliage. The design is a mix of formal and relaxed, with a focus on natural elements and comfortable lounging. The colors are mostly muted greens, beiges, and grays, with pops of warmer colors from flowers. The lighting is natural, creating soft shadows and highlights throughout the scene. A rooftop patio cafe, overlooking a city skyline. Impressionistic, but with sharp focus on the furniture and details. A bright, sunny day with a light blue sky almost filled with fluffy white clouds. The city buildings are various shades of gray, beige, and light blue, with several under construction. A bit of greenery in planters on the patio, and some lush landscaping on the rooftop. The patio deck is light brown wood, with wicker furniture in muted gray and beige tones. Soft light beige and light gray cushions on the wicker seating. Small tables with simple designs are spaced out in the open-air area. A large, dark blue awning provides shade. A modern pergola with a dark metal framework provides shade while allowing a view of the cityscape, including skyscrapers, and a clear, partly cloudy sky. Lush, tropical plants, like banana plants and large-leafed foliage, are strategically placed in raised, gray planters, adding a touch of the tropics to the urban landscape. The patio is paved with light gray stone tiles, casting subtle shadows. Wooden bar-style seating, with light brown wooden stools and a long, wooden kitchen counter with a dark gray stone countertop and stainless steel appliances, including a grill and refrigerator, sit within the pergola structure. A lush outdoor patio area, bathed in natural sunlight. Tropical banana trees and other greenery create a dense canopy overhead, casting dappled shadows on a wooden deck. A light beige sectional sofa with various neutral-colored throw pillows sits on the deck, inviting relaxation. Dark gray planters are interspersed among the lush foliage. A wooden dining table, chairs, and other patio furniture are visible. The scene is hyperrealistic, showcasing the texture of the leaves, wood, and various fabrics. Colors are vibrant but natural, with deep greens, light beige, and muted browns dominating the palette. A rooftop patio with a modern concrete structure, lush tropical plants, and comfortable outdoor furniture. The scene is vibrant and inviting, with a mix of natural and earthy tones. Beige, cream, and muted grays dominate the color palette of the furniture, cushions, and the rug. The plants display a rich green foliage including banana trees. A large wooden log serves as a coffee table, displaying a beautiful natural texture. The sun shines brightly, casting soft shadows, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The image has a serene appeal and evokes a sense of relaxation. Include a long linear sofa with multiple beige cushions and wooden armrests. A rooftop patio in New York City, hyperrealistic. Rustic, modern design with a mix of natural and industrial elements. Brown, gray, and black tones dominate the color palette. Large, dark-stained wooden decking. Various woven wicker furniture, including a hanging egg chair with muted patterned cushions. Gray upholstered lounge chairs and a round wicker coffee table in the center of a tan natural fiber rug. Synthetic grass lawn area. Planters filled with diverse greenery and flowers are arranged along the edges and middle. Visible brick walls and large windows allowing views of the city skyline and high-rises. A construction site is visible on one of the buildings in the background. A rooftop terrace, hyper-realistic, featuring a verdant vertical garden wall draped with lush green foliage. Beige and taupe outdoor furniture, including a sectional sofa with matching armchairs and ottomans, arranged around a round coffee table. The furniture is woven, rattan style. Muted beige and off-white throw pillows featuring subtle patterns and stripes add visual interest. The terrace floor is a light gray-blue tile. Dark brown wooden support beams and brickwork are incorporated into the design. The setting is an urban cityscape with multiple story buildings in various shades of gray, beige, and brick in the background. A spacious, landscaped patio area with a tranquil koi pond. A light beige stone patio, featuring large, flat stones, leads to an elegant rectangular koi pond with glistening water and colorful koi fish. The surrounding area is lush with vibrant tropical plants, including various shades of orange, yellow, and green foliage. Palm trees and other greenery provide a tropical aesthetic, creating a relaxed and beautifully landscaped scene. 2 wicker lounge chairs are positioned on the patio by the pond, creating a comfortable seating area for enjoying the views. The house itself is a light peach or beige color, and is visible in the background. A sun-drenched, tropical rooftop patio. Impressionistic, but with a focus on detailed textures. Sandy ground, light beige and white, interspersed with tropical plants, various shades of green, and small planters. Wooden deck flooring, in light brown tones, extends across the area. White woven hanging chairs, lounge beds with light beige cushions, and a woven hanging chair. An open wooden pergola structure provides shade, and sheer white curtains add a soft touch of elegance. Palm trees and other lush foliage create a verdant backdrop. Some elements might also have dappled light and shadow. Gravel pathways wind through a variety of tropical plants, including banana palms, ferns, palm trees, monstera, and bromeliads. Large, round, dark gray stone, and smaller, light beige rocks are strategically placed throughout, creating borders and textured areas. Wooden seating and stepping stones are incorporated into the design. A large dark gray/black wall forms a backdrop. A small, dark rustic clay pot sits near the center of the scene. The palette is vibrant greens, muted yellows and oranges and warm beige tones, indicative of a sunny day. An impression of depth and spaciousness. A zen-like aesthetic, with careful attention to plant positioning and natural elements. Tropical garden courtyard. Impressionistic, yet with hyperrealistic detail in the plants and textures. Light beige gravel path winds through the space, scattered with natural river rocks. Various tropical plants, including palm trees, banana plants, ferns, and lush foliage, create a vibrant green aesthetic. Woody brown dividers/walls create a backdrop framing multiple seating areas, some with dark gray/charcoal lounge seating. The interplay of light and shadow across the gravel and vegetation is key. A wooden walkway runs through parts of the garden. The overall impression is of a tranquil, exotic getaway. Focus on the varied leaf sizes, shapes, and textures. Gray gravel pathways meticulously arranged around a curved, dark gray stone basin, with a shallow, circular water feature incorporating a gentle fountain within it. Large, smooth river rocks of various shades of gray and brown are strategically placed throughout the garden and around the water feature. A variety of lush green plants, including ferns, small trees, and shrubs, provide visual interest and a sense of tranquility. A rich, reddish-brown wooden deck with a gentle incline leads to the main part of the garden layout. The deck reflects the moisture from the water feature, creating a wet-looking effect. A modern, dark gray stone wall borders part of the garden, creating a separation from a house exterior that has warm, dark brown wood panels. A tranquil Zen garden scene, hyperrealistic, featuring a cascading waterfall in the background, behind a cluster of lush green ferns and tropical foliage. Gray and black stones, varying in size, create a natural pathway and border the water feature, laid on top of pebbles. Close-up view focuses on the texture of the stones and pebbles, and the soft, vibrant green of the plants. The waterfall is a misty white/gray and the light is natural and soft, bringing out the details in the garden. The overall aesthetic is serene and peaceful, evoking a serene atmosphere of calmness, reminiscent of a Japanese garden. Include smooth round gray and black stones, dark gray rocks like basalt or lava, and various types of ferns and tropical greenery. A luxurious, multi-level waterfront home, hyperrealistic in style, with open-plan living spaces and expansive decks overlooking a calm azure sea. Palm trees and lush tropical vegetation surround the structure, adding a tropical ambience. The home has glass walls and numerous balconies, allowing for stunning water views. The decks and furniture are light beige, gray, and taupe tones. A lap pool stretches along one edge of the home, with the water appearing deep teal/emerald green. The building's architecture is modern, with a focus on maximizing natural light and space. A sleek white speedboat is docked nearby. A person is visible on the upper deck balcony, looking out towards the sea.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.